New setup, live stream, new setup. Here to guys. New setup. Here. Setup live stream. 5 gadget. 2 V8. V8 condenser for live streaming. Here we go. Setup. The tumbler, a microphone, and the cell phone, and the V8 condenser. 2 items of V8 condenser here. Okay, that's all. Bye bye guys.